In a medium bowl, stir together 2 cups fresh or frozen cranberries, ½ cup granulated sugar, and chopped pecans. In the bowl of a stand mixer, combine the butter and remaining 1 cup granulated sugar. Beat until smooth. Add the eggs and beat until the mixture is fluffy. Add the brown rice flour, tapioca starch or arrowroot powder, and almond extract, beating until well combined. Generously butter a 10-inch pie plate. Pour the fresh cranberry mixture into the plate and scoop the batter over the cranberries. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 42 minutes.